Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube series called Compressed Air Advice. These series of videos are here to help you understand more about the world of compressed air and to answer some questions you might have when looking to purchase a new compressor or simply to improve your existing compressor system. Today's video, we will explain what SMARTLINK is. Compressed air systems play a vital role in various applications across industries. From manufacturing plants to automotive workshop, compressed air powers a wide range of equipment and processes. However, optimizing the efficiency and performance of these systems is crucial for minimizing energy consumption, reducing maintenance costs, and maximizing productivity. This is where compressor monitoring systems step in to revolutionize the way we manage and maintain compressed air systems. Compressor monitoring is an advanced technology offered by Atlas Copco. This cutting-edge system collects real-time data from compressors and their connected equipment, such as dryers and filters. The data is then analyzed to provide valuable insight into the system performance, energy consumption, and maintenance requirements. One of the key advantages of compressor monitoring is its ability to provide real-time monitoring of the compressed air system. With the help of advanced sensors and communication technology, the system collects data on various parameters including pressure, temperature, flow rates, and power consumption. This data is securely transmitted to a cloud-based platform accessible through a user-friendly interface. Users can access this platform from any device with an internet connection, allowing them to monitor the system's performance remotely and in real time. By harnessing the power of compressor monitoring, businesses can optimize the efficiency of their compressed air systems. The system identifies inefficiency and potential issues, allowing for proactive maintenance, planning, and reducing the risk of unexpected downtime. Moreover, the real-time data and analytics provided by the monitoring system enable businesses to identify energy-saving opportunities. By fine-tuning the system's operation and addressing any abnormalities, significant energy saving can be achieved, resulting in lower operational costs and a reduced environmental impact. Compressor monitoring systems empower businesses to shift from reactive to proactive maintenance strategy. Traditional maintenance approaches often rely on predetermined schedules or reactive response to equipment failure. However, with the insights provided by the monitoring system, businesses can monitor the health of their compressed air system in real time and identify maintenance need before they lead to costly breakdowns. By addressing maintenance requirements promptly, businesses can extend the lifespan of their equipment, enhance reliability, and reduce the overall maintenance cost. Implementing a compressor monitoring system might seem daunting, but Atlas Copco provides comprehensive support and services to ensure a seamless transition. Their team of service experts offers installation assistance, training, and ongoing support to help businesses make the most out of their monitoring technology. By leveraging their expertise, businesses can fully optimize their system's performance and maximize the benefits of the monitoring system. Compressor monitoring systems have transformed the way businesses manage their compressed air systems. By providing real-time data, advanced analytics, and proactive maintenance capabilities, these systems enable businesses to achieve peak performance, energy efficiency, and cost savings. SMARTLINK is backed by our expertise and support. It offers a comprehensive solution to optimize compressed air systems across various industries. Embracing this technology not only improves operational efficiency, but also contributes to a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to compressed air usage. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has helped you. If you have any questions, please click the link in the description and a service representative will reach out to you shortly.